Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to download and install the Google Flights application on your Android device. There isn't a specific Google Flights application that you can download from Play Store, but what you can do is you can go to your Chrome browser and you can type in Google Flights over here. Type in Google Flights, and you can simply click on the first website that is shown to you, and here you can log in into your account and look for flights over here. And if you want to add this to your home screen for easy access for later, simply click on three dots over here, and you want to swipe in and you want to scroll down and click on add to home screen. After that, click on add and click on add again. Now you'll be able to see Google Flights on your home screen, and if you tap it, you can simply access the website. More quickly. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.